Welcome to Kids Nursery TV. Look what came in a box today. I jump and cheer, hip hip hooray. Tape go snip and flaps go wide. What's this magic tucked inside? Unbox, unbox what's inside my hobby kit with joy and pride. Paints and tools and stickers too. Oh, the fun I get to do. Tiny brushes, paper bright. Color bursts in red and white. Buttons, beads and strings so fine. Crafty things that feel all mine. Brushes, paper bright. Color bursts in red and white. Buttons, beads and strings so fine. Crafty things that feel all mine. Unbox, unbox, come and see a world of hobbies just for me. Snip and glue and doodle fun. So many things for everyone. Now I paint and laugh and play, making crafts all through the day. My little hands are working fast. Hobby time is such a blast. Unbox, unbox, soft and slow. My favorite time, now you know. Starter kit so full of cheer. Can't wait to play again next year. La la la, la la la, la la la,
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.